If you want 2025 to be the year you finally break through and build real wealth, this is the guide you've been searching for. This isn't some fluff about overnight success or empty promises. This is a proven, step-by-step blueprint to grow your money, create opportunities, and achieve financial freedom. I'm going to show you exactly how to take advantage of the biggest wealth-building opportunities in 2025, no matter where you're starting from. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to turn your vision of wealth into reality. So, if you're tired of waiting, let's get started. Your journey to financial success starts right now. But you're gonna ask me why 2025 is the year of opportunity, right? Well, let me answer you. 2025 is set to be a transformative year, a convergence of innovation, shifting markets, and tools that can help you build wealth faster than ever. Artificial intelligence is reshaping industries, renewable energy is driving the global economy, and digital finance is unlocking new ways to invest. Add the rise of creator-driven businesses and a more connected world, and it's clear the barriers to entry have never been lower. But with opportunity comes competition. Many will miss out because they hesitate, while others will thrive by acting strategically and early. The key is a clear plan. In this video, I'll share the exact steps I'd take to become a millionaire in 2025, leveraging these trends with tools available to everyone. Step 1. Mastering the mindset of wealth building. Wealth starts with the right mindset. To become a millionaire, you need to think and act like one before you see the money. Most people fail because they focus on scarcity, fearing loss instead of seeking opportunities. Reprogram your thoughts about money. It's not evil, it's a tool to create value and freedom. Visualize your future millionaire lifestyle every day to align your actions with your goals. Discipline is key. Track spending, budget wisely, and consistently save or invest a portion of your income. Small actions done regularly lead to big results over time. Finally, surround yourself with growth-oriented influences. Seek mentors, read, and engage with environments that inspire you while avoiding negativity and excuses. A wealth mindset means patience, persistence, and long-term thinking. It's the foundation for every step of your financial journey. If you want to dive deeper into building this mindset, check the link in the description for a detailed guide. Step 2. Leveraging high-growth industries. Building wealth in 2025 isn't just about working hard. It's about positioning yourself in industries that are driving massive change. Focus on sectors fundamentally transforming how we live and work, and align yourself with opportunities within them. Start with artificial intelligence, AI, which is revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and education. Whether by investing in AI-related stocks, learning AI-driven skills, or starting a business that utilizes AI tools, this field offers huge potential for growth. Renewable energy is another critical area as the world shifts towards sustainability. Governments and businesses are pouring resources into clean energy initiatives, making this a promising space for investments, green businesses, or consulting opportunities. Lastly, the digital economy, encompassing e-commerce, blockchain, and the creator economy, continues to thrive. Cryptocurrencies, decentralized finance, and content platforms like YouTube or Substack provide countless ways to monetize skills and take calculated risks. The key isn't to chase every trend, but to focus on one or two industries that match your skills and interests. Research, find gaps, and add value. Wealth comes to those who are proactive and ready to seize opportunities in these fast-evolving sectors. Step 3. Building and scaling a business. To achieve financial freedom, building and scaling a business is one of the fastest and most effective paths. A well-structured business isn't just an income source, it's a wealth-building machine that grows exponentially. And in 2025, tools and platforms make starting a business more accessible than ever. Begin by identifying a niche. Focus on solving a specific problem or providing unique value for a targeted audience. The best businesses address real needs better or faster than others. Research trends, analyze competitors, and understand your audience using tools like Google Trends and social media. Create a value-driven product or service that solves a pressing problem. Start small with a minimum viable product (MVP) to test the market and refine it based on feedback. Scalability is key. Leverage digital platforms, automation, and outsourcing to grow without requiring proportional effort. Consider creating passive income streams, like online courses or subscriptions, to maximize efficiency. Marketing is essential. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to reach large audiences with engaging content and targeted ads. Build trust and tell your brand's story to stand out in the digital age. As your business grows, build a team. Delegate tasks to freelancers or virtual assistants, and later hire full-time staff to handle operations and development, allowing you to focus on strategy and scaling. Finally, think beyond short-term profits. Reinvest earnings to improve products, expand markets, or explore partnerships. Keep an eye on trends to stay competitive and ensure long-term growth. Starting a business takes time and resilience, but it's one of the most rewarding ways to create generational wealth. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, every empire begins with one idea and the courage to act on it. Step 4. Investing with strategy. Investing is one of the most powerful tools to build and preserve wealth, but without a strategy, it can lead to failure. In 2025, with countless opportunities and platforms available, anyone can start building wealth. But the key lies in knowing where to focus your energy and capital. First, understand the golden rule of investing: diversification. It helps you spread risk while maximizing potential returns. Balance your portfolio with a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative assets like cryptocurrencies, tailored to your risk tolerance. Next, focus on long-term, value-driven investments in industries like AI, renewable energy, and biotech. Use tools like ETFs to invest in baskets of stocks without needing to pick individual companies. Consistency matters more than timing. Instead of chasing market trends, use dollar-cost averaging to invest regularly and reduce volatility. Real estate is another strong addition, offering passive income and inflation protection through rental properties, real estate investment trusts, or fractional investments. For higher risk opportunities, consider allocating a small portion of your portfolio to cryptocurrencies or blockchain projects, ensuring you research thoroughly before diving in. Effective risk management is essential. Set clear goals, keep emergency savings, and avoid over-leveraging yourself with debt. Leverage technology and professional advice through apps like Robinhood or Fidelity to track your portfolio and access robo-advisors. For larger portfolios, consider a financial advisor to optimize your strategy. Investing with strategy isn't about luck or following the crowd. It's about discipline, patience, and smart decision-making. Build a plan, stick to it, and let compound interest do the work. Whether you're starting with $100 or $100,000, the steps you take today will set the foundation for your financial success in 2025 and beyond. Step 5. The power of networking and mentorship. Building wealth isn't a solo effort. It's about the people you surround yourself with. Networking and mentorship are key tools to open doors, provide guidance, and fast-track your journey. In 2025, with global access to communities and experts, leveraging relationships is more critical than ever. Networking is more than collecting contacts. It's about building meaningful, mutually beneficial relationships. The right connections can lead to opportunities you'd never find on your own, from business deals to insider insights. Start by identifying where your ideal network gathers: industry events, online forums, or platforms like LinkedIn. Focus on adding value to others through support, insights, or connections. Mentorship acts as a fast-forward button for success. A mentor's experience can help you avoid mistakes and achieve goals faster. To attract a mentor, show commitment to growth and reach out with a clear, respectful message about what you admire and hope to learn. Approach the relationship as a chance to learn, not a shortcut to success. Take advantage of digital tools like webinars, mastermind groups, and online communities to connect with mentors and like-minded individuals. Even indirect mentorship through books, podcasts, or courses can provide valuable insights. Finally, remember that relationships are two-way streets. Offer value, celebrate others' successes, and maintain connections over time. A strong network becomes a lifelong resource of opportunities and support that fuels your wealth-building journey. By now, you have the blueprint to start building wealth in 2025 and beyond. But the most important lesson is this: none of it matters unless you take action. Knowledge is only potential power. It's what you do with it that defines your success. So, let's turn this plan into reality. We've covered everything from setting the stage with 2025's opportunities to mastering the mindset of wealth, identifying high-growth industries, building a scalable business, investing strategically, and leveraging networking and mentorship. Each piece is crucial, But now it's time to bring them together into your personal strategy. Start small if you need to. Take one step today, whether it's researching an industry, opening an investment account, or reaching out to a mentor. Wealth is built through consistent, deliberate actions. The decisions you make today will shape the life you live tomorrow. Building wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about creating freedom. The freedom to live on your terms, pursue your passions, and leave a legacy. It's not easy, but it's achievable with focus, discipline, and persistence, even when things get tough. So here's my challenge. Don't just watch this video and move on. Write down your goals, make a plan, and hold yourself accountable. Success isn't a straight line, but those who keep learning, adapting, and acting will see results. The millionaire lifestyle isn't for the lucky few. It's for those willing to take action and stay the course. What's your first step? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more actionable insights. Let's make 2025 the year you rewrite your financial story. Your future self is counting on you.